Hello everyone. Hope this video finds you well. Because I'm looking for a job. I'm applying for companies, software development companies, and sometimes in LinkedIn you receive messages, you tend to respond because it could be a gig that you could do. And this is not the first time, this is the second time that it happened to me. Someone is trying to hack me. I don't understand why. But I think there's a lot of scams in LinkedIn right now, and I'm trying to expose them. Um, their tactic is, yo, could you check this repository? Could you give us a budget? Blah 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 blah. And basically, what they tend to do is hide in their code, malicious code that will run and do some type of stuff that I didn't want to run, but at least I can get it. And the first time that this happened, I created a micro Python script for checking repositories for malicious code. And when I tend to receive this type of offers, I run my script. And I'm gonna show you what the script is about, and I'm gonna show you what they were trying to do. I'm not running their code at any time because I don't know what it could do. I'm really afraid of trying it. So if any cybersecurity specialist wants to give it a go and find out what the fuck they were doing, yeah, be my guest. I will leave everything down. Message me, go to our Discord page, message me, and let's do something. Because I'm getting tired of this. Really, I am. So let's not wait any longer. Basically, hope that you guys can see, but basically, here, yeah, I completely understand the crypto space people tend to not be honest and scam others. Yes, I could take a look and give you a budget because they were they said that yeah, we hired the Canadian, but he left basically, and he sent me the link to the source code. Okay, yeah. So I was walking around, not in the Christmas tree, but I was walking around in the source code, and basically, I'm gonna tell you what I was doing. The first things that I tend to do is basically go to what runs in terms of code. What I try to check is like the app. Okay, there's nothing suspicious here. Okay, maybe it is. Maybe it has something that does something, but from the first time that you see nothing suspicious, then you go to like models. That's the first thing that they instantiate, and you go to the nations, and you go to blah blah blah, and you try to see if there's any type of weird code that you find suspicious, like a process run or something related to getting something from the web, like a fetch. That's kind of shady. And yeah, execute in a process level. So that's what you should try to search. So I developed my Python script to try to find that out every time someone sends me code, because I'm afraid of getting hacked, like everyone should be. Not that I have anything to hide, but yeah, people are trying to get your control over your PC, get everything that you have, and yeah, you need to be careful. And basically, after executing my script that I'm gonna show you, it found out that in the Tailwind config, you can see like the value, the config is so weird. The size, it's so big for a Tailwind config that mostly will have like 20-30 lines at most. You can see by opening it up, yeah, everything seems fine, but then, oh my god, what the hell? The scroll wheel goes down, and you'll find out this. Basically, the Tailwind script will execute every time you start the node server and start the project. So, this will run, but I don't know what is this. I have no clue and I don't want to test it out. I could create a virtual machine and try it out and see what it does, but I don't want to, honestly. But it goes to Google or something, join, and it does some type of shady stuff. You can see HTTP and you have some kind of URL. Yeah, you can see there's kind of shady stuff that's doing, and I don't want to execute it. Now let's show you my Python script. My Python script spotted. I didn't spot it at first, and I was trying, what the hell? And yeah, and it spotted. It copied the code over to the report, so I could see it better. The event router also has some type of read file, but nothing malicious. But this is malicious, and we know it's malicious. So the Python script, I will open source it because I think everyone should be able to use it. It only checks JavaScript related repos like Node.js. They always tend to go with Node.js because of all of the security vulnerabilities that it has in terms of executing code on the terminal and whatnot, and people tend to use it a bunch. So yeah, you can see everything. It spots a ton of stuff, and I think I will for sure definitely open source it because it's a must, and people should be able to be safe. And yeah, the script is quite simple. I created some type of patterns. I did this with the help of ChatGPT. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not the most expert in Python, but I understand Python a bunch. But whatever, it's not about that. Basically, I scanned all of the directories and then go through all of the files of each directory with the patterns and whatnot. And this could be further expanded. It receives arguments for you to insert, like where do you want the output, whatever the directory. It's the first argument that it receives. Yeah, that's basically what the Python script does. You can take a look. It's not malicious, and I think people should be safe because this is an increasing problem in LinkedIn, and I'm like, I hate it, honestly. And I think I will contact LinkedIn directly to have some type of script that will run when someone sends a directory. Like, they always send a Bitbucket directory, and run this type of command to check it will be amazing. I don't care if my messages are being read, but if I'm safe in terms of security, in a security manner, I will definitely appreciate it. So yeah, I'm exposing this type of matters because I'm done with them. I'm trying to find a job. I'm applying to companies, and people contact me with this, and I'm getting like, I'm done, really. So if you are watching and you want someone to your company that has wide skill set in terms not only of cybersecurity but in a lot of spaces, C#, Java, Python, Go, Rust. Go, I'm not that into that yet, but I can learn fast. And yeah, if you want someone that really wants to work and do the difference in the world, I'm here. I'm open. So message me, send me a message on LinkedIn, and yeah, let's have a talk. Because by the way, the scammers, if you ask them to have a meeting first, they will never go to a meeting. They will postpone it. They will try to avoid it at any cost and just send you the repo for you to fall victim of. So yeah, this is my experience exposing LinkedIn scams. I don't like it a bit. So thank you for watching, and I hope hopefully this helps the community and helps a lot of developers not being scammed. So have a nice day. See you everyone.